Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. So this is a 2011 4-star 2-horse slant load bumper pull. It is all aluminum. It is 7 tall. It has the aerodynamic nose, so it's got the angled, pointed nose. It is a 2 5/16 ball, so 2 5/16 ball. It does have the graphics. It has running boards, 2 drop-down windows with bars. Has the extruded side, and that's the ribbed aluminum from front to back. It has a collapsible rear tack, so the saddle rack can come to the front or the back. It's in the front currently. 2 brush boxes, saddle pad holder, 2 sets of bridle hooks. Has a full rear rubber bumper, and that is in excellent shape. I can't talk today, guys. The trailer has a Polylast poured in floor, so that has the Polylast poured in floor. Load light on the rear. So it's got roof vents. It's got maybe 2 little dents up here in the ceiling. It's got some teeth marks here on the wall. Of course, those things are 100% cosmetic, not causing any issues. Padded airflow divider. 2 roof vents. I may have said that. Lights work off the battery of your truck. Sliders on the rear. This trailer is, width-wise, I'll have to double check. It's looking like 6'8", 6'9", something along those lines. I'll have to double check that width. Actually might be, well, you'll need to go to the website, carolinatrailersales.com, to get all the information. It'll have all the specific measurements for this trailer. It'll also have still pictures as well as price. 2 tie rings on this side. I need to double check if there's tie rings on the other side. It does have a dressing room with a step here, which is a running board. Spare tire, 2-tier saddle rack, bridle hooks. It's got the lights, work off the battery of your truck, and another set of bridle hooks. Carpeted. It's all in excellent shape. It's been very lightly used. A light there as well. Window in the door to the dressing room. Super nice little bumper pull, 2011 4-star 2-horse slant load bumper pull. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Going around the other side to see if we got tie rings on the other side. I'm going to assume yes, and we do. 2 tie rings on this side, 2 tie rings on the other side. Super nice little trailer. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.